Our world continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace. What we're certain of today may be questioned tomorrow. Technology has transformed manufacturing for the benefit of humanity. The steam engine revolutionized agricultural production. The light bulb illuminated our world and the factories that power it. Automation brought rapid productivity. And the internet has sparked an age of global connectivity. The convergence of man and machine is redefining our industrial capabilities. A new dimension is being created, merging our cyber and physical worlds, oscillating exponentially, and spreading innovation like never before. This is the fourth industrial revolution. Industrialization has improved our standard of living, but often at the expense of others, and almost always at the peril of the environment. So what if industrialization can advance our world without risking our lives, our environment, and our future? By harnessing human ingenuity and technological advancements, our products can become smarter, safer, and better. And by fusing biology with technology, we can create a new kind of progress. One that corrects the imbalances of centuries past. Sustaining prosperity where it already exists and taking it to where it's needed the most. This is the future. Inspired by nature, mirrored by machines, created by us. Welcome to the second edition of the Global Manufacturing and Industrialization Summit.